everybody, and welcome to the week. I wanted to go ahead and do just one extra video this week just to show you what I found at Walmart and Dollar Tree. Now, here in New Mexico, where I live, our Walmart is renovating, and they're going to bring in, I want to say, Dunkin' Donuts or something like that. I don't know, a fast food store. We've already got a Subway. Now they're going to bring in a second one. But anyhow, cup of coffee. And they're bringing that in. Excuse me. So they're remodeling, and everything is clearance. And I do mean everything is clearance. So what I found was mixed media paper. And this is 11 by 14. And I got 4 packs of it for $2.50 each. I can't show the whole thing up here, of course, because my camera won't allow for it, but that's going to be our little table here where we go through our stuff today. So long story short, I got 4 of those, so I got $10 for 20, 40, 60, 80 pages of 120 pound light green mixed media paper. So I will use these a lot. They're not super thick, but they're going to be great for my die cuts and other little projects. So I got those, and then I got these because for our ephemera on a budget, which is going to come out tomorrow, I want to show you how you can probably recreate these using this lightweight mixed media. See, these feel like kind of a plasticky fabric, but I really feel like we can create these. I love this plastic that it's on. Isn't that funny? What do they say? You buy a child a toy and they'd rather play with a box. So anyhow, we're going to do those, and I want to feel the butterflies, because the butterflies was the one that first caught my eye. Putting this in backwards, but I don't care. Maybe I should care. This doesn't want to go in there, but I want to see either turns out or doesn't turn out. I'm going to do it in real time, so if it's a goof, it's a goof, and you'll know not what to do. But if it turns out, then it turns out, and we're good to go. All right, so this one comes out the bottom. See, yeah, these are watercolor paper, guys. That is exactly what those are. So we're gonna play with those, and if you don't have your flat back beads, anything will work. You could put a little drop of paint there. You could stamp these, and we probably will do that. And then here they are in just the plain white. Same thing. It is the same thing. Now, if you want to make them stickers, just go to the Dollar Tree and get your foam tape. Telling you, we're in it. We're doing it. We're up there. And then I got the Easter bags to make Easter journals, which I may or may not get to. I may make these next season, but anyhow, they were there. I got them. I thought this one was adorable, and of course, you know what I had in mind, right? The stickers. So we'll see if we can get to that or not. But I have it. I'll put it in my someday, forever, maybe I'll get to it pile of journal making stuff. But anyhow, so I just wanted to come on and show you that real quick, and we are going to do tomorrow. I've just got to get my die cutting machine out today and locate these the dies that I do have, and show you how we can make these. I found my halfback pearls at a junk store, thrift store, just like that. They might have been in a bag, but that's what we have. So if you don't have these, and you do have stickles will work. You could use really anything. Whatever you have on hand. A little bead would work. It's just whatever you guys want to use. You could even roll up a little piece of paper, like a little, like, like get it wet, like paper mache kind of a thing. You could really use anything. Oh, look, one came off. Where did that come from? Honestly, one came off. Isn't that cool? Well, not cool, but I mean, one fell off. Look at that. Anyhow, use what you got. That's the name of the game. You could go through, maybe if you have like regular 3-hole punch or a 1-hole, just a regular paper punch with the circles. You could go and you could find little magazine whatevers to make your little circles with. It is your imagination, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching, use it, do it, have fun with it. All right, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which is going to be making your own butterfly sticker dupes. All right, you're going to need watercolor paper, a thin piece. You're going to need the half-back pearls or some sort of decorative, even a little button, a tiny little button would go cute there. That, and probably watercolors if you want, or Lindy spray, something to color them with, inks if you got it. Use your imagination, and we're going to get into that this time tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.